Good morning, students. Welcome back to e-learning classes of Modern English School, Kunti Nagar, Nevada. Today I am going to teach you some problems of exercise 9C of the topic unitary method. So let us start question number 1. If 4.5 meter of a uniform rod weight 17.1 kilogram, what is the weight of 12 meter of such a rod? In first statement rewrite here since 4.5 meter of a uniform rod weigh 17.1 kilogram. Students, this is miscellaneous exercise. Miscellaneous exercise means in this exercise questions both direct variation and inverse variation. So rewrite the language one or two times and think this type of question given. Therefore, in unitary method, first we required unit quantity. Unit quantity means 1. तो 1 meter, the hair length less या more, the length hair less, the less length तो less weight. कोई रॉड है बहुत लंबा है तो उसका वेट अधिक होगा, छोटा होगा उसका वेट कमेगा, मीन्स लेस लेंथ लेस वेट. तो दिस टाइप क्वेश्चंस बिलोंग टू डायरेक्ट वेरिएशन. डायरेक्ट वेरिएशन क्वेश्चंस गिवन हियर. तो 1 meter of a uniform rod weighs 17.1 in direct variation. Here divide 17.1 upon 4.5 kilogram. Is it clear? And next step, find the required. The here required what is the weight of 12 meter of such a rod. So therefore here first symbol is since, again therefore, again therefore, again therefore. Okay, only one times is the symbol of since. So here 12 meter of a uniform rod weigh 17.1 upon 4.5 into 12 kilogram. Is it clear? Here meter cancel out. Here 4.5 meter. This unit meter. Here also unit meter cancel out. Only remaining kilogram. Decimal after 1 digit. Here decimal after 1 digit cancel out. Is it clear? A table of 3. 15 3 ja 45. Is it clear? 3 5 ja 15, 3 7 ja 21. Again is the table of 3. 3 4 ja 12, 3 5 ja 15. So here first of all multiply 57 into 4. The 4 7 ja 28, carry 2. A 4 5 ja 20. A plus 2, 22 upon 5 kg. Is equal to right here divide by 5. 5 4 ja 20. Is it clear? 5 5 ja 25. 5 6 ja 30. Lastly we get 45.6 kilogram. The hence required weight is equal to 45.6 kilogram. This is your required answer. Is it clear? Now let us discuss question number 2. In question number 2, in a map 0.8 centimeter represents 8.8 kilometer. How much distance will be represented by 80.5 centimeter? So here first statement rewrite since 0.8 centimeter represents 8.8 kilometer. Is it clear? The in unitary method, first we find 1 centimeter. The here 0.8 or here 1. The more length या less length. The here 0.81, here 1 is greater than 0.8. So here more length. The represent more distance. The more concept here. This is question belong to direct variation. The 1 centimeter represents 8.8. Here divide in direct variation, here divide 8.8 upon 0.8 kilometer. Is it clear? Required, the bill will represent 80.5 centimeter. Here required, the 80.5 centimeter represents 8.8 upon 0.8 into 80.5 in kilometer. Calculation solve this. Here decimal after 1 digit remove, also here remove, or 11 8 ja 88. So here clearly find 11 into 80.5 kilometer. B multiply 11 5 ja 55, carry 5, 11 into 0 0 plus 5 और 11 8 जा 88 और डेसिमल आफ्टर 1 डिजिट, here put after 1 digit in kilometer. So hence 80.5 centimeter represents 885.5 kilometer. This is your required answer. Is it clear? Now let us discuss question number 3. In question number 3, if 4/5 of a cistern is filled in 1 minute, how much more time will be required to fill the rest of it? So here rewrite the first statement. Since 4/5 of a cistern means tanki, is filled in 1 minute. We know that 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. The here write in the place of 1 minute, right here 60 second. Is it clear? So therefore first we in unitary method 1. Here compare 4/5 1, which is greater? So here 1 is greater. Always remember, any fractions numerator is less than denominator. This value is always smaller than 1. The 4/5 1. Also compare this type, also 4/5 1. Here cross multiplication, we get 5 greater. So here greater is 1. 1 means here 1 denoted complete. मतलब टंकी को कंप्लीट भरने में कितना टाइम लगेगा. तो here means more part fill, तो more time. The one of a cistern is filled. Here concept of more. This is direct variation question. So here divide 60 upon 4/5 second. Is it clear? Therefore, how much more time will be required to fill it, the rest of it? So here not given data indirectly, rest of it. So any cistern fill up 4/5. The remaining find complete denoted 1. Fill up 4/5. So subtract 4/5. Take the LCM 5 minus 4 1/5. So how many part the rest of it? The 1 by 5. So we find 1 by 5 of a cistern is filled in 60 upon 4 by 5. 4 upon 5 into here 1 by 5. Second, rearrange 60 into in denominator 4 by 5 convert into 5 by 4 or into here 1 by 5. 5 cancel out. 15 4 ja 60. Here we get 15 second. Is it clear? So hence required time is equal to 15 second. Is it clear? Now let us discuss question number 4. In question number 4, a tree 6 meter tall cast a 4 meter long shadow. At the same time, a flagpole cast a 50 meter long shadow. How long is the flagpole? So here since a tree casts 4 meter long shadow, then 6 meter tall. 6 meter tall. Is it clear? So therefore, at the same time a flagpole casts 1 meter long shadow when the hair shadow is a small, the length is a small, means here less concept. This question belongs to direct variation, so write here 6 upon 4 meter tall. Is it clear? So therefore a flagpole cast given at the same time a flagpole cast a 50 meter long shadow. In 50 meter long shadow when 6 upon 4 into 50 meter tall. So here 2 to ja 4, 25 to ja 50, 2 3 ja 6, 25 3 ja 75 meter tall. So hence the length of flagpole is equal to 75 meter. This is your required answer. Is it clear? I hope you will complete the exercise 9C with the help of this video. That's all. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye.